Hello everyone, today we're going to explore the Host Cokroaminoto Museum located at numbers 21 to 31. LA7 Peneleh Street in the city of Surabaya. This house once belonged to Haji Umar Said Cokroaminoto, a key figure in Indonesia's national movement and the leader of Syariat Islam, famously known as the King of Java without a crown. Let's take a closer look at the life of this remarkable man, the nation's teacher and one of the pioneers of Indonesian independence.
This house was built in the 1870s with simple yet meaningful Javanese architecture. In 1906, it officially became the property of Host Cokroaminoto and soon turned into a hub for national movement activities. Here, he taught and mentored young activists who would later become national figures like Sukarno, Saman, Alimin, Kartosuwiryo, and Musso. From this very house, powerful ideas for Indonesia's independence were born.
Let's start in the museum's living room. Here, you will find old photos capturing Cokroaminoto's life journey, along with plaques honoring his dedication. In the Syariat Islam room, you will see old books, newspaper from that era, and replicas of the clothes he wore during Syariat Islam congresses. This item brings us closer to his story and help us understand his struggle better.
Next, we'll visit Cokroaminoto's private room, which holds great historical value. This is where he spent time reflecting and developing important ideas. Despite its simplicity, original furniture like his bed, dressing table, and the wardrobe are still preserved, showing his humble life and struggles.
Upstairs, there's a simple boarding room that was once occupied by Sukarno and other movement leaders like Kartosuwiryo, Musso, Saman, and Alimin. The room was basic, furnished with woven mats and a small table. Here, the young Sukarno nurtured his nationalism and discussed ideas with friends under Cokroaminoto's guidance.
After Cokroaminoto sold the house in 1921, it changed hands several times, was inhabited until around 1968. During President Sukarno's era, this house was remembered as the place where he once lived in a simple boarding room. Later, the Surabaya city government bought the house and began preservation efforts. Serious restoration started in 2016 to bring the house back to its original condition.
On November 27, 2017, the house was officially opened as the Host Cokroaminoto Museum by Surabaya's Mayor, Tri Risma Harini. Since then, it has become an educational center about the nation's history. This museum isn't just a collection of historical artifacts. It is a place that inspires young generation to remember the spirit of nationalism and the important role of Syariat Islam. The city government continues working to make the museum more interactive and engaging, preserving this valuable heritage for the future.
That was the story of the Host Cokroaminoto Museum, a place filled with the spirit of struggle and wisdom. May his legacy remind us to stay grounded, think critically, and care for our nation's future. Okay guys, thank you for watching and let's keep the spirit of nationalism alive. Bye bye!